A function that is often used with embroidery is the mirror image option. So we're working on the Pfaff creative icon, and I have one of our samples from our Embroidery Essentials online course where we have everybody stitch out all 15 different techniques, small little blocks, and they can put them together. But one of the options is you have to repeat this block mirror image. So part of them learning how to do applique is then they have to do it in a flipped form, so they always find the mirror image. So let me show you how this is. It's a great online course. Again, take a look at the links below this YouTube video where you can see where you can go and do all these techniques while mastering your embroidery machine. So here's what we're doing, and let's just bring up that design. I'm going to go to my Sew Net. So that's my kind of online cloud option. It's a free service that comes with this machine. And what's nice is that I have a folder called Embroidery Essentials. I can touch and hold it, and all my designs for my course are at my fingertips. So if I ever want to do another round of blocks and learn or master a new machine, they're all right there, always where I need them. So here's the design that we are doing. Again, that's kind of the nice little butterfly. We're going to open up Edit. And with this, right here is where you'll find the mirror image option. So if we just touch, you'll see that the butterfly is to stitch out the opposite direction. Now this one does have where we can go left or right, but we can also go up or down. So you have all 4 directions, and yes, you can highlight all the mirror images, both left and right and vertical and horizontal, and then that way you can have all directions stitched out with any design that you want to embroider. So if you'd like to learn more about doing quilting blocks, cutwork blocks, confetti blocks, tile scenes, and how to sew something like this all together that's actually quilted while it's in the embroidery hoop, it is an awesome course. We've had hundreds of students successfully master their machine and learn all these important parts, just like I showed you for learning the mirror image.